Maker, how you doing today?
Hey, how you doing, neighbor? You sounding good, buddy.
Yeah, sounding good. Now, radio sounds good there too up there, B. I had you right at 6 modulating to 7. I'm on a Galaxy meter, so Galaxy meter will move more. Hey, Roger. Appreciate that radio report, man. Definitely helping us out up here, see what's going on. Both of you blowing smoke up here.
I didn't catch who that was. That was talking to Watchmaker here.
Cranks with that thing.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Hey, Watchmaker, who are you talking to right now?
I was talking to my neighbor over there, 711. He's got that IMAX that we put up, and it cranks.
Well, I just wanted to write it down. I didn't catch who it was there.
711 here on north side of Austin.
North side Austin, Texas. That ought to ring a bell. Come on.
Yeah, I've talked with you for years. 7-Eleven, no doubt. I just wasn't recognizing it, or the light didn't come on to just now, 7-Eleven. Well, that's interesting, because this morning, Watchmaker, the Mako was picking up California better than the Joe gun, but so maybe shorter distance, the Joe gun at the height is going to work. I don't know, it's weird. Mother Nature is messing with my head.
That's that hot, huh? It's the bounce and the wave. Yeah, you guys better definitely link that. That is really cool.
And things just changed up on me up here. I don't know if I'm still in your receive, but you took a dive for the worse for the moment, Watchmaker, but I'm sure it's just temporary.
Yep, so did you.
Yeah, Roger.
Dropped out over here, too.
That means it probably either lengthened out or shifted just a little bit there, Busy Bee.
Yeah, exactly. That's why it'd be optimal to have a tower like five different beams on it with switch boxes.
Oh, yeah, that would be nice.
Three or four different Joe guns, all the same, just different heights.
Surprised me that the Joe gun was doing better or as good, you know. That did surprise me.
The trick would be get Pirate in there inside that one. I bet you're going to find it's the opposite.
Yep, when Pirate was rolling, I was just shutting the damn gate off. I got him in the next one there, but he rolled in about an S7, which was real darn good.
Yeah, I think it's that one jump in Texas, 2 jump mentality.
Yeah, Roger.
I'm thinking the top shelf one's going to do better up the galley.
Yeah, same right back at you.